National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, northwestern Parker County in north central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Mineral Wells around 7:50 p.m., Cool around 7:55 p.m., Mineral Wells State Park around 8 p.m., Poolville around 8:45 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.